here to enjoy life, not here to serve. Bazalwane, angazi if I should say ngicala iviki or ngivala iviki, but either or, living is within them. What's up, well? Yeah. Bebangafuna ukucomment abaningi, bangilanda ku-TikTok bathi sicela enye futhi ngathi hayibo. Ngathi Mariazini singinikeza yona. What's up, well? Thina bandleni ufana kagama and welcome to more Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion Music, ukucula ugwaba, we break down ama-lyrics to try and get the message, we inspire others, we also encourage Tingiti, basically non-toxic Zion vibes out here. What's up, well? Oh, it's a beautiful Sunday today. And hey, I'm excited too. Yay. Ngilokhu ngiyayibalekela ngithi ayi isikhathi sakhona sofika ngilokhu ngithi. But I'm like, you know what? Might as well just do it. Yes. So today, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, angazi ukuthi ulindeni. As I am recording this, guys, we are currently sitting on 109. We are currently sitting on 190 subscribers. 190. We are 10 subscribers away from 200. Job and Sheila, the aim is to get to 1,000. That's the aim, is to get to 1,000. From 1,000, so Pambi. So namhlanje reacting to Amanzokuphila again. Ngiyahluleka uma ngingedwa. To my Indian viewers, the song means I fail when I'm by myself. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Yeah, ngihlise ne volume. Kunale voice engizwayo. Nice. Orizwa yimi ngiwa.
Ngiyacela Nkosi, ngiyacela Nkosi, uba ngifike, amandla ngiyawathinga, amandla ngiyawathinga, uba ngifike.
Wait. I'm at a point where angisafuna ukukhuluma. Asengifuna ukenjoy ingoma. But I can't because manje masengilalela ingoma angisa-react so listening session. Hey, I'ma leave mara. Hey, I'ma leave. Oh. Makale badlaleli. Le badlaleli bafika amawash. Ngenza so. Ay, mafethu. Hi, yo. Like, you know, you sit here and you listen to this track and then you go like, just how many songs do you guys have? Kahle kahle manithi ninengoma. Estimations simephi. Because every time I react to 11, it's a song I've never heard before. So just to cut it short, the song basically talks about living life without God. Essentially saying that things in life and problems are surrounding me or are holding me back because I cannot get to where I should get by myself. I need your strength. I need your protection. So therefore, without you, I will fail. Without you, I'm failing. Without you, I don't prosper. Without you, I'm incomplete, basically. And that's a part. That is a part. Like for real, that's a part. Before Sagut, it's not the first time Baba lo o leader in more. Like and so because in most cases uzothi ngimonela like good. I understand. And ngifuna abantu understand ukuthi guys angakawazi mina ama-member abantu kahle angakababoni abantu ngaleyo ndlela le. I'm still getting used to them. So sometimes reactor living so like the last the first video corner I didn't see him right, the camera hardly came to him, but now ukuye nalamanye video, even the video before this, was it him leading? I asked, but it was a man sitting that I didn't really pay attention to him because I was hooked on the first part. But this man can sing. No, this man can sing. This man has a voice. When the first part in the lead, I lead. Sis, umuntu oshaya soprano nje la. Hayi, uyenza so. Enza busy, uwenza nami busy. Ikho ngihlezi la ngithi ingibambe so. Sabathi ngithi ha, lutho. Who wrote the song? Like who composed it? You know, ngisasho namanje. Hey, ukubhala ingoma can be easy sometimes, but to sit down and structure it. So, ngiyakudinga angeke ngikhona mawungekho angazi something zingahaqi. That is why ngikhuluma isilungu because manje ngibhizinyabhasta. Ngesilungu sithi I need your strength, God, because there are things that are with holding me. I'm getting withheld by things. So when I'm by myself, I'm failing. I can't do it. I need you. I need your strength. I need you. Like, excuse me. Like, this song is powerful, man. Like the chorus
Ngiyacela msomdala, ngiyacela Jehova,
konje lo guy futhi abanye Xolane. Stop. Ugrand not him. Ubut Xolane bab X.
ngiyacela Jehova, amandla ngiyawadinga, amandla ngiyawadinga, ukuba ngifikelele, uma isilingo, ukuba isilingo, singihaqile,
Marava fit. Mina kasi kade belihlele eGoli mina. mina bengijilile khona mina. Bengijilile nje ngihlelela nje weekend yonke nje counting my blessing. Abantu bebabhizi bacela amandla ntwana. Bacela amandla. Ikhama voice aso. Kunalo bosisilaba bayithula. As if intanga zami or the young, I don't know. But they look my age though. Hi, bayithula. I was from the previous video. Nothing so but nickname are the voices. You must be out of your mind. Have you heard? Hey. The first part Lena la back. And I was why I show ngule video the voices. Mina ngibabiza the angifuni kwazi. Agree to disagree owakho uzola namadimoni akho uyi1 ungangifaki mina. Mina ngifuna ukwazi letena le yini nayifihla itena lapho eliving or nachoma ngayo which one, like which one, because there are songs where itena nyayizwa proper I go like, and then there are just songs nje as a living but it's asinikhombiseni ukuthi thina ngetena sikwazi kwenjani. Hey yachoma living nathanda ukugabisa nkosi yami. Ubona yazi ubona kuphi ukuthi nesonto othanda ukusigwabisa ekugwabeni kwabo. Abantwana bayasifila boy. Yazi hey uvela ubahalela yazi uvela ugoqa izandla uthi hayi bo. Hey naba abantu. And guess what? Bazokugwabela. Le bandla lizokugwabela. Likugwabela. Lento beyikwatisile mofika endlini uvela lento ekwatisile mosuka endlini uvela ukhohle. Azini asinyo bajoyina nje lapha ngeke ngidistra bazokugwabela iliving izokugwabela izo and bavele nkosi yami ukuthi iliving inentendency yokusigabisa yokuthoma and listen there is no other, listen now one thing about me I can always pinpoint certain things different church can do, but one thing I've never seen from most churches is ukuthoma njengale bandla. Listen, I don't know. Like why benza living wine is as well. I don't know. Like I would break down, you know me guys, I would break down on my church and go like, ooh, this, ooh, that, ooh, this, yeah. Laba. Kings and queens, prince and princesses. Abokho. That's my name. Bazoba ngathi bazogwaba ne. Kube ngathi bazogwaba. And then all of the flow vele abasana bayeke nje. Bakubhe. Wena ubukela la account yakho sami anikwabi yini? What's born? Only they will answer you. Because Because why ngisho kanjalo? Look at wonke amabandla, ne? Look at them. Maqala ugwaba ke gwaba same time. Hayi living. I-living zot ishaya ngekhwif it has phone. Uzothi man. La uthi bayibambe khona bayibambe bese bachoma umama abuyele emuva. Dawu mara. Qhubeka insizwa. La usothi bayibambe khona insizwa sivele zingagwabi ugwaba bomama. Bese uthi mara. Malivu. Ay.
Sengiyacela Nkosi.
Ngazo yena X-Men. I love this guy. It dog like I really wanna meet this guy. I was getting him bullied. What was that so? Like, why? I think Jalen living. Why being a lot of my car? Hey, living. Why being a lot of my car? That didn't know. Sati asifuni kulala emakhaya. Sifuna ugwaba ubusuku bonke. Abaqedile abagwabi. Bayakhoma bese bakwa. Hayi man, ngingabuyenza lento. Yabo njengoba hlezi la I'm anticipating ukuthi abazogwa. Hayi, izosiphela ingoma. Even wrong in the nizani. Ngihlala kama emotions ami. And uzonipayisa. It's not right. It's not right. And X uyayithanda lento yakhe. Kwamavila amaningi engibona ku. He does those things. I vela jike nje. Vela me move. That's why I ngisho and then ngibona too often this thing. Ngibona too often. And then ngibona ku living phela. La amanye amabandla not necessarily. They don't necessarily do it. And it's a unique thing. Kumnandi when you know ukuthi le bandla leli babafike ebantwini they are themselves. You know, they don't really try to no, they are themselves. And different churches have a different approach to different things. Kunamasonto la achoma ngamavoice like proper. Bawakhipha maraya bafinde bayabuya nawo. Bese nje kunamasonto nje anevibe. Like you understand. But if you don't look at that, it's just angazi ngathi describe ngithini. For me, it's not the big thing that the churches do. I don't care about that. I mean, it's always the smallest thing. The communication within them. You understand? The communication between okay, sasa kwabake manje two. So ishaya isikhathi isigaga sit niqhubeke sit siyehle ni young understand. It's the smallest of thing that I look at. And it's the smallest of energy ukuthi okay, usbanibani nani kanjani. It's those things that I care about that make me go, ukhoma ne living. That's why hembelable purple. That is why it's purple. Ukhoma. Tina's fish fakana nama blue la, sky blue, but you no. Purple. How many churches do you know about Shaya a purple? I'll wait. Only pink and a blue, no white, no grey. But you purple. And a different shades of pink ngale so sky. I love it, but purple. But no, best this is so shy white, ne purple. Mara laba purple.
Sengiyacela Nkosi. Ukuba ngifike. Amandla ngiyawadinga. Ukuba ngifikele. Ukuba
abantu ukuchoma yo ayi yaqala ebaqhosha labantu shem abasasigabisi you wanna have the smallest of things dog. Like when I had the smallest of things, when I had the mom's over my microphone ngakhona ngabe kuya ngabo ukuthi athi ngibeke phansi lento lezobuya. Yo, living well. You'll never find you will yazi it's one thing maskwaba ngeline nene. It's another thing when everyone is just doing their own things. Like personalities just come out, did you? When you just do it, and then you go like, but that's the whole point though. Into being issued from Sunday, the past Sunday. Uguti, once you eliminate the competition and jealousy, the best of abilities, you get the best of abilities from everyone. Because now everyone is free to do whatever they want to do. Because they are themselves. Because at the end of the day, we are doing the same thing. It's all about the enjoyment. That's one thing I can never take away from all the churches that I've seen so far. They have their own thing. But lab, these ones not come. The lab. Ngisakhalela ukubabona. Ngingakwazi. Ngivele ngime nje. Ngibaphe. Ngingajoin next. Ngivele ngithi we ngithi vele so. Commist. And I love them for that. And they have pride, not ego. Guys, pride and ego is two different things. They have pride in everything that they do. They love everything that they do. Bias misela. And when you see that, you fall in love with it. You fall in love ngoku misela abantu. That's why I can show this ngacula. But the determination, it's the smallest of things, bro. Smallest of things. White. You see? This thing. So maybe I never paid attention to it. But I like this. Ula. Uzongenzani? Aphela mina ngimuhle, mina ngila, I'm praising the Lord. Wena uku? Ngiyangibona ngifikile I'm within. Nkosi yami. Ay, ngifingwela. Ay. Like no mama, I got Rashi. Like you know, she's cruising nicely. Like she's cruising nicely. Mvulian, one get him. Sisashan. Mvuliga bulalaban. It's her. Like ungasho to come like a patience or but like a sweet old name. Like Gracie, yabona, Intandokazi. Like, by the way, you can tell she has a very soft name. And speaking in love of it. I'm a friend. umuntu beka-DVD la uphelelwe ispace uphelelwa kanjani ispace eish man man uphelelwa kanjani ispace again living why beningalala emakhaya wrong le beniyenza wrong mazokuphila. The name itself is enough. The name itself is enough. So, hey, listen, man. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, angazi wenzani. Vele wenzani. Sangisinyela nako. Wedla yini? I don't know. Uyasala. You are gone. So anyway, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And trust me, the more you like, the more the videos can get around. Like legit. And also, man, don't forget to give me recommendations as well. And share this to other people and other platforms, whether it's Facebook, it's Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. Share it to others as well. It's cool in the platform. Remember, this platform is just not only for me, but it's for all of us as well. That is why that is why I also want to introduce Isintezisha to this channel. It's going to be a channel where you guys sit in JPL. So it's going to be a channel where you guys are going to benefit. Job and Shiloguti. I am planning on doing a giveaway at a time. And I say just stay tuned because I will probably do it next month. So stay tuned to find out to go price at time. So yo, in a favorite ways of Jupiter.